I'm going to show you how to replace the failed fingerprint sensor in the Motorola Moto E5 Play cell phone. Please subscribe to CB99 videos and hit the like button. Thanks. I have a Moto E5 Play and my fingerprint sensor failed. Not only did I lose the use of the fingerprint sensor, but the failure caused the battery to drain much faster than normal. To perform this task, you need the replacement fingerprint sensor at hand. Search for a fingerprint sensor for the XT1921. The first thing you have to do after powering down your phone is to remove the back cover. To do this, you pry it off from the lower right corner of the phone when it's facing you. Next, you remove the battery by pulling up on the lip on the lower right corner of the battery. Next, you need to remove the SIM card and the SD card if you have one installed. Here we use a pair of tweezers to remove the SIM card and then the SD card. Next, we will remove 9 T5 screws, and for this we will need a T5 bit in our screwdriver. Eight of these screws were pretty easy to find. The 9th screw was hidden under a sticker. The driver kit we bought came with a magnetic sheet to put the screws on. Once you've removed all the screws, you can carefully pry off the back inner cover. We found two different fingerprint sensors with the same model number on the internet, so we bought both because we weren't sure which would be the right one until we opened up the back of the phone. Now that you see what the fingerprint sensor looks like in the phone, you can see which of these fingerprint sensors which we bought to replace it is the correct one. So we use our spudging tool to remove the old fingerprint sensor from its location by prying. Next, we place the new sensor in the same location as the old sensor, gently pushing on the connector at the one end with pressure. The new sensor, just like the old one, lays flat on the circular pad and is only connected at one point at the end. Next, we snap the back inner cover into place and screw it back in with all 9 screws. Once you have all 9 screws tightened down, you can replace the SD card and then the SIM card, and you're almost done. Next, you slip the battery back in, matching up the terminals, and then you click the back cover of the phone back into place. And now it works! This is the kit that we bought for fixing the Moto E5 Play. It comes with many bits, including the T5, which is what we used for the Moto E5 Play. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to CB99 videos.